Hello everyone, today we're looking at the 2020 Mercedes Maybach S560. You do have 20-inch Maybach exclusive forged alloy wheels, and the exterior color combination is known as Dune Silver Metallic with Ruby Black Metallic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine combined with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It is all-wheel drive and produces 483 horsepower at 5,500 RPMs. Now let's go ahead and check out the extraterrestrial luxurious interior of this car. Obviously, you have smart key access, keyless entry system, especially at this price point. Very loaded door panels with lots of buttons, and inside you do have a beige Napa leather interior. All of your seat adjusting controls right here. You can adjust the headrest, the back, all those things. You do get ventilated seats and heated seats, as well as massaging seats with 3 memory seat settings, as well as all your standard controls, your digital cockpit, and you do get a 3-spoke leather and wood-wrapped steering wheel with all your steering wheel mounted controls to interact with the cockpit and the infotainment system. Engine start stop button right here with 4 air vents, as well as a clock in the middle with your climate controls right here, dual zone for the front, a little cubby space, as well as a 12-volt power outlet with 2 large cup holders, as well as your massaging seats button, navigation, hazards, radio, media, and your trunk release button is right there. Auto start stop, as well as dynamic drive mode, as well as your parking cameras. All your controls to interact with the infotainment system, as well as massaging headrests. A touchpad right here. You can navigate through some menus. And a very comfortable armrest that has a SD card with 2 USB ports, as well as a wireless phone charger. And this thing is huge and super soft. With a glove box that is huge, immense glove box, I have to say. All your HomeLink garage door settings, as well as your lighting controls, which I will demonstrate right now. All your lighting controls are here, as well as emergency calling, and a speaker right here. Your lights, as well as panoramic sunroof controls. The fabric in the glove box is very soft. All your seating controls for the passenger also. Your Maybach badging right there. An electronic parking brake. And Maybach badging on the door sills. And now let's go ahead and check out the very luxurious rear seats. If you guys saw my Subaru Ascent video, you would have seen that I said that the passengers were going to have the time of their lives back there. But forget that. Here, you're going to have the time that you've been waiting for your entire life. You get heated and ventilated, as well as 3 memory seat settings. All your seating controls to adjust the seat, as well as rear massaging seats. Isn't that incredible? And the seats also recline. And there is a tremendous amount of space back here. And you also get a screen for the kids, just in case they get bored if you're going on a 9-hour road trip. There's a pocket on both of the passenger side seats, as well as your 2 air vents with quad zone climate control in the back. You can control this. Imagine this car is quad zone climate control. That's incredible. With 2 very large cup holders right here. With a cubby space and another cubby space. With a huge center console for the back passengers that comes equipped with 3 more USB ports, as well as a home style outlet right here. You also get 2 trays for the back passengers. Very comfortable. As well as another storage pocket right here. The compartment is pretty good. I mean, you can fit like maybe a tablet in there. Your Maybach badging right here, as well as your lights right here. Panoramic sunroof, and you can see how beautiful you are in the rear seats if you wanted to. This is just mind-blowing to see these features on a car. You also get all the features that you will get for the front passengers in a normal car. And these floor mats are so soft. The seats recline. And here is what it looks like from the rear seats. And you get Napa leather. Literally, you get it right here on the dashboard. Isn't that something? And these seats are extremely comfortable. As well as 2 air vents with freezing ice cold AC. And now let's go ahead and check out the immense cargo space. There is literally a subwoofer back here. And you still have so much cargo space to haul some items. Not just some, a lot of them. You can haul about 4 to 5 very large suitcases. And you will find this in SUVs, a power liftgate, except this for a sedan. So I hope you enjoyed this review of this very luxurious car. Leave your car review suggestions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.